So we did the first one in 2015, and we actually had gotten the idea, I think from the Field Museum in Chicago, had done an event like that. We were at the Field Museum for a couple of months before we started at Virginia Tech, so we got to see how they handle such huge crowds for outreach at that museum, and we wanted to bring some of those ideas down here. So all of the material that we have is from the fieldwork we did this summer. And we did a month in Tanzania and then a month out west. And when we were out there, anytime we collect the fossil, we want to protect it for that long drive back here. So everything gets wrapped in toilet paper or put in a Ziploc bag or wrapped in aluminum foil so that it doesn't fall apart on the drive home. But we left it that way until tonight so that everybody can actually open it and we can have it kind of in a protected environment in the building so that we don't lose pieces. So each person takes one packet out of the bag and slowly unwraps that toilet paper.
Then we made a label about them, then we put them in a box, and then we put the box in a giant box which was gonna hold all the little boxes.
It's pretty impressive.
Every particle or parcel that's there has associated pieces. So if there's lots of bones in one little bundle, they probably all go back together. So we slowly unwrap those and put them all in one box and give a label to it so that it has the field number, what animal it's from if we could figure it out when we were out in the field, the date it was collected and who the collector was if we knew, and what rock formation it came from. So if it's from Wyoming, it was from the Poposia Formation. If it's from Tanzania, it's from the Mandibeds. And all that gets written down on the label so that we have that later when we're going to study the specimen. So once all of that's in the box, then that specimen goes in tray and we'll take it upstairs to the prep lab. Part of what's so great about the field, and paleontology in particular, is the availability of discovery to everybody. There's a feeling of excitement and discovery that comes along with any fossil find because you are likely the only person that ever saw that bone. So when you're uncovering something in the field, you're the first person to see it. And then unwrapping something, once we get it back here, you're probably only the second person to get to see it. So we hope that they're as excited about all of these finds as we are when we get to go out and collect them. And then learn more about that material too. So what are these animals? When did they live? What did they look like? How are they related to animals that are alive today? Everything that we're unwrapping is extinct, so what happened to them? Why don't we have them anymore? We want them to start asking these questions.